A hospice social worker. I have no, I'm sort of a tree hugger. I've driven a Prius since 2006. I've lived in builder special, not quite a McMansion, but, And so when I found myself on my own and sort of wanted to have a dream, I started cooking up the idea and did a lot of my own research, and then just this wonderful team came together between Baxter and the architect and people who know how to utilize Princeton building codes, and but yes, back to my interest. Yeah, so it was just sort of a dream of mine, and it got me over that children leaving home hump, and it really gave me something to make into my own project. Well, it has to do with how things are built from the ground up. So, you might not see the bells and whistles. There's a lot of systems in the house. There's superior walls are in the basement, and the way they're put together, they're really insulated properly. The walls in the house, the materials that they're covered with, a lot of it has to do with making a really tight envelope. And because of that, then there are systems that actually intake and expel air. I should know what they're called, but the house then has to have a system for it to breathe because it's so tight. The windows, we looked into windows that would be tinted only on the east and west and clear on the north and south to utilize all the sun or lack thereof. The roof is metal standing seam roof that was going to accommodate solar panels. We used hot water on demand gas, so that's in the house. So it's all the systems that are going to maximize the efficiency of the house. We didn't use traditional air conditioning. There's units that just are split systems, I think they're called, and you control them room by room as you need them. The fans were placed to move the air the way it should be. Actually, it's interesting that the kitchen is also a really sustainable thing in this house because it was recycled from another home. Jim had a job, and this is part of the LEED certification, but Jim had a job where a client was redoing their entire kitchen, so they carefully took out all the cabinets from that home and then brought them into here. And it was a much bigger kitchen, so with all the bits and pieces, they were able to make them fit in my kitchen. And so, to satisfy the LEED requirement, this is a LEED certified, well, it's qualified to be a LEED certified home, platinum, and that was one of the things to use recycled materials.